In Workflowy, every node starts off as a bullet point, but bullets can become different types of node, and different types of node can be turned into other types of node, and so on. In this way, you can match the format of your content to its intended use, and you can build your own custom flexible workflows. In this example, I'm going to show you how to create a board for a project. And here is a project I'm actually working on right now. And here I have a list of tasks that I'm either yet to start, doing, or have finished. And I want to display these as a Kanban board so I can see my progress more easily. To turn a node into a different type of node, click on the menu here, click on Turn Into, and then you'll see a menu of different options, different node types. There are a mixture of formatting types such as headings, paragraphs, and then to-dos, numbers, and there are some layout types as well, such as boards, dashboards, and code blocks. I'm going to go ahead and select board. As you can see, I've now got a Kanban board where the node types, the subnodes have turned into cards. And in this way, I can simply drag and track progress on the different tasks that I'm working on, so I can see how I'm actually getting on. At any stage, I could turn this Kanban board back into a different node type. And so in this way, I've got a variety of different options that I can use for formatting my content. So these are item types. They're available via the slash menu as well, and on mobile. So you can build your own powerful, flexible, but still lightweight structures, all within Workflowy, without having to leave and go to another app.